For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Conrad kongkal sangma uloong ba jingkyrduh Bording elektrik jela kadai gawai ni jingeh ka khraw bhai ka tnad penmi Bording. Bad ula penti kena ba sorkar jela kadang trei ba ya kelenti ban pendunai jingeh ka bamat gi ba na jing penlep ka Bording. Ula kentui ginong syong bakin sya syitom ni kejeng ka bagi mat, bat kidang trei ha kelenti ban penduna kejeng ka bagi pat ba kimat. Da ka penduna no ka por bat bandon ni kejeng penlep ka Bording na kebentai ke jaka boper kat kum kejeng long jeng man jong kesun breng. Menteri rang ba ulong bakani ka kejeng ka bakraw ka tenat penmi Bording ndrek ya baniat cekmat bat ansai I hakini ki benai bat kisnam banwan bakum kene kejeng jakan omlong syuk basir kai kum bakalong ya mentahi. Ulong ba ansai ke jingkala namar kidon bon ki kam ki balas sedang meniat cekmat ban ansayo ya ka jingmi hakisingi ke banwan. Menteri rang ba ulong ba hakum kene ka klemat kalat ka bala banweng ke jingeh ka dai tang la don ke jingjur uslam. Bat sisen ba jela kalayo abantiat ke Bording elektrik ka kedor ke babit ke babiang. Nalor kani uliatho ba ke MEECL kamat ke jingkyrduh pisah. Bat ke jingdon kam ya ke jingkershan jong ke sorkar jela ke sorkar kala aya ke jingkershan. Balala ban penbiang ya katok ni ki benta hagi kerdan ki baper. Hendrai kini ki jingeh kilong ki bakraw ukumta kalong badon kam manwan ra ya ke jingkala ha katenad MEECL.
Third, of course, MECL itself, we are having huge financial concerns in MECL, and hence, as a government, we need to support them to a large extent, which we are supporting, and that's the reason why we've been able to at least maintain things to a certain level. But these challenges are huge, and hence the aspect of reformation within the MECL has also started, and we will see that through this year many reforms more will take place. But having said that, that is for the future. In the current situation, the only respite that we will get is once we see some kind of good rainfall that we can get, or once we're able to see that we're able to purchase the power at a slightly more reasonable rate. The rates are very high because of the overall shortage in supply at the national level also in different grids and different producers. So all these challenges are there. I hope that we will be able to move forward and we'll be able to reduce things in the time to come as we see, as I said, the monsoon arriving. That will be the main solution for us for time being. But in the process, I just would like to appeal to the citizens that yes, I understand this is a tough time. Please do bear. It's a challenging time. We are working towards minimizing the discomfort that you're having by managing the timings of the different load sheddings in different areas based on the weather pattern. So we urge citizens to bear with the different challenges that we're facing. And let me also assure the citizens that this may be one of the most difficult times for the power sector. But as we move along, we will see in the coming months and years, the situation will not be as extreme as we are seeing in this month.